The Wix platform is one of the most famous content management systems. It enables you to build a comprehensive website and immediately begin creating and publishing content online, even if you lack any technical knowledge or experience. Wix is a site launched in 2006 using the JavaScript programming language, which is responsible for the website layout and display, and the CSS language, which shows images and visuals. Wix is a powerful tool enabling business owners and individuals to effortlessly create their e-commerce websites in the shortest time possible. It's quite different from the programming complexities that are typically needed for building websites in the traditional way. The Wix platform offers all the solutions and features that contribute to creating a complete website. It offers an effortless beginning for content creation and publishing using either the Wix editor or Wix ADI, both of which we will explore in detail later, including their full range of features and any limitations. In this video, we'll discover how to set up an online store using the Wix platform. Stay with us, but before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Head over to the Wix website, then click Create Your Store to kick off the registration process, which you can complete using either your email or your Facebook or Google account. You can register as a new user or sign in using your Facebook account. You'll see all the sites you have previously created using Wix. Now click on Create New Site. Now you need to choose your website's intended use or specific field. Select Online Store. It will ask if you'd like the Wix platform to pick your site's layout for you, or if you prefer to make those modifications yourself. Click on Edit a Template and choose any of the available templates. Select the template and click Edit to start customizing your site. It will start loading and you will enter your site to begin editing. The Settings section, you can change your website's logo, and you can also add your social media pages directly from the Business Info section. You can also make sure that your website is a mobile-friendly website. You can also do this through the Settings menu. Furthermore, you can test the 404 error page. You may also access the dashboard through its settings to link your personalized domain, if you have one, to the website you are currently creating, using the Connect Domain function. You will be asked to save the settings that you have modified. Click on Save here, and you will be prompted to select a domain. Type in the domain you want and click Save and Continue. Now it'll ask if you want to publish your online store immediately or at a later time. Just click Done to publish it later, specifically at the conclusion of this video. From the Settings menu, access the dashboard, which serves as your website's control panel. This section indicates whether your site is currently published or not yet published. Additionally, you have the option to modify the name of your online store from here. And below that, there's the phrase Start Selling, which signifies you can commence sales once your products have been added. Proceed to click on Add a Product. By clicking New Product, you'll be asked to choose between two options: selling a digital file, like ebooks, services, or hosting. The second option is physical products, which means tangible items like clothing, fragrances, and similar goods. Choose based on the types of products you wish to sell through your online store, and then begin by selecting a product. Type the product name and upload its image from your computer's files or your website's files. Now, you need to input the product details. You can specify if the product is newly arrived, then set the price and any applicable discounts. Also, indicate the weight and the price per weight if the product is sold by the kilogram. Finally, add the remaining settings, such as colors and sizes. From Track Inventory, you must choose whether your product has a SKU or not. This is an important step to effectively manage your inventory. What kind of shipping system does it have? Is it available in stock or not, so it can be automatically hidden from products? Choose the relevant section for your items from the top left, or you can simply add a new section from the Promote area. You can create a coupon, promo videos, and marketing campaigns, but you'll need to pay for that first. Click Save. Your product has been successfully added to your site, and you can now add an unlimited number of products using the side menu. On the right, you have access to your inventory, representing your stock or collections, which refer to the various sections on the site that you can easily modify and manage. These are the products, but it's important to add a payment method for the buyer. Go to the dashboard, and from Set Up Payments, click on Get Paid and choose the payment settings. It gives you your country based on your geographical location. Click on Confirm and select your preferred payment methods such as Visa or PayPal. Within the manual payment options, you also have the ability to include cash on delivery. Include your notes for the payment and then click Connect. Returning to the dashboard in Set Up Shipping Region, click Set Up Region to select your shipping settings. Click Add Region and choose the areas you're able to ship to. Then, select the payment method and determine the shipping cost, whether it's free or a percentage of the total bill. After that, just click Save once more from your dashboard. Click on Publish your site to make your website go live on the internet and from Connect a Domain. You can either use a domain name obtained from Wix or incorporate one you've previously acquired by simply clicking Get a Domain. Additionally, under Get Found on Google, you have the option to integrate Google Ads. Below that is the Business Info section, where you can add your address and your contact and social media information. This is found under Setup Store Tax. You can add tax to your product and then obtain a professional email address. You can create a professional email for the online store you created. From here, you also have the option to connect your personal Gmail account so you can receive messages directly. And by clicking on Store Settings, the settings page will open, along with the website that you have established. Also, in the website settings, you can modify all invoice and inventory settings, and this is where it will ask if your inventory will be released before or after payment. From checkout policies, you can add things like terms of use, privacy policy, returns, and contact information. And at the bottom, you can choose to display or hide tax. Returning to the site, you can enhance it by adding elements like images and videos simply by clicking the plus sign. To edit text, simply double-click on any word, and its specific settings will appear, allowing you to customize the font, colors, and various other aspects. You can edit existing sections, add new ones, and rearrange the menus and buttons. Plus, you can easily change images and their display methods. Furthermore, you can change your website's colors and backgrounds. By clicking Manage Media, you can also modify the section name, adjust the section's title and description, update the image, and handle other related details. The website also offers full Arabic language support. At the bottom, you can add your privacy policy and terms of use. From the social bar section, you can also adjust the icons and associated links for each social media platform, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. You have the option to preview your site and see how it will appear to your visitors or customers. You can also test the full site, from adding products to the cart to running a complete purchase test. When you're finished and happy with your site, click Publish to make it live. Share your questions in the comments and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.